some other beauty subscriptions Sephora played might want to take note. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright myself. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit rough around the edges right now. I've been working on store stuff all morning long, but I've decided to take just like a itty little break to do a couple unboxings for you guys. Are we surprised that I'm doing yet another beauty unboxing? No, we're not. So today we're going to be doing two beauty unboxings actually, but they're going to be of like the same box but different at the same time. I'm going to be unboxing both variations of the Target Beauty box, which thanks to you lovely people out there in the comments who let me know when these things are actually released on Target online. I also just want to let you guys know really quickly that I'm going to be doing one of the like random big unboxing haul videos that I do every now and then. I'm going to be unboxing a couple things from you guys here in the next day or so. So if you have something in the mail and you're concerned that I have not yet unboxed it, I'm very sorry. It will be coming. It just takes me a while to like compile enough stuff to do like a really big unboxing. I probably wouldn't send me anything like living in the mail or in general. Just to let you guys know, I somehow already managed to kill the air plant I got not too long ago. It is very crunchy and I'm assuming very dead. Just in case, because it does take a bit of time, but that'll be coming up very soon. Oh gosh, sorry, I also almost forgot. We do have a giveaway going on right now. I will leave the link down to that below if you guys want to go check it out. But now we can finally go ahead and get into this box here, which is very heavy. So because I did order these boxes at the same time from Target, they did come in the same little They did come in the same little box here, which is good. Save on packing materials. So within our outer cardboard packaging here, I have two Target Beauty boxes. And these both are actually surprisingly heavy. I did glance at the items that are supposed to be in here and I thought they'd be like tiny little samples, but there's some heft to these. Both of these upside down boxes here you can find at Target.com. They are $7 a piece and they have like beauty and makeup samples inside. Last month I got one of these boxes and I was super impressed with it, so I'm really excited to get into these. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the outer plastic packaging here so we can get to the box itself. Alrighty, so right on top here I have a little card that says, "Hello Rejuvenation." It says, "Daily grind running you down. Girl, you're not alone." Good. On the back here it'll tell us all about the products inside it, and there's also a little nifty $3 off coupon when you spend $15 or more on beauty products. Okie dokie, so let's go ahead and get inside here. I'm pretty excited. Oh wow, okay, so the products are definitely bigger than I expected them to be. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this first and see what it is. Alright, first in here we have a Tresemme Repair and Protect 7 Instant Recovery Mask with biotin. So this is for extremely damaged hair. It's like they knew it was coming to me. I have very thin and very damaged hair, so I am excited to give this a try. Now this is a foil packet sample, which typically are not my favorites, but it's a very thick foil packet. Like this is a good size foil, and personally, since my hair is so thin, I'm pretty sure I could get 2 uses out of this little sample here. If you have longer or thicker hair, you might not be able to, but for me and my cotton candy hair, I think I can use this at least twice. Ooh, okay, next up I'm actually pretty excited about this. These are ultra vibrant whitening strips for your teeth. And this is a trial pack with 3 treatments in it. I'm actually really excited. I think I just said I'm actually really excited. I'm actually really excited because my teeth have been getting a little bit on the yellower side, and I think it's because of my recent addiction to iced coffee. So it'll be nice to brighten them up just a little bit with these. Okie dokie, next up I'm gonna dig to the bottom here and pull this out. This is a night relaxing jelly eye sheet mask, and this actually seems like it's gonna be real nice on my face. Recently, I think it's because I do wear my glasses so much and I have to look at a screen like all the time, my eyes and around my eyes have just been like tired and sore. The skin's kind of dry, so I am pretty excited to give this a go. This is from Clean & Clear and it appears it is a new product, so very excited to test this out. Alrighty, next up in here we have something from Shea Moisture. This is an African black soap bamboo charcoal body scrub with tea tree oil. I can't believe I actually said that all in one go. But this is supposed to be made with fair trade ingredients, which is really nice. There's no parabens, no phthalates, no propylene glycol, no mineral oil, no sulfates, and no animal testing. Yet again, literally can't believe I said that all in one go. So this is what it looks like. Definitely a very nice size sample. I have heard about African black soap before and I've always wanted to try it, but I never have, so it's kind of cool that it comes in this. Oh wow. It has a very interesting scent to it. I guess that tea tree in there and that other stuff that's in there gives it a very different scent. Oh, So I think this is pretty fun, a little bit different. Okie dokie. Next up in here we have something from Acure, and this is a brilliantly brightening facial scrub. And this is what it looks like. It is a full 1 ounce sample, and that's a good size for a sample, especially in a $7 box like this. Ooh, okay, this I'm actually really excited about because I just ran out of my last sample of dry shampoo, and I need dry shampoo. I really need it. So this is from Hask. This is a Monway coconut dry shampoo. It's supposed to have long-lasting oil absorption, free of sulfates and parabens. Sulfates. Is that what I said? Did I say a different word? I don't think I said that right. I actually really like the color of this bottle. It's like kind of peachy and cute. That doesn't really like speak anything to the product itself, but I think it's kind of adorable. I'll go ahead and give it a little like sniff and see if it actually smells like coconut. I really hope it does. I love coconut. Whoa, that comes on there like a rocket. Oh, and it does smell like coconut. I'm actually really excited for that. I know my hair is up, but it's like dirty, so I wonder if I could just use this even though my hair is up. It smells like the beach. There is definitely a bit of a white cast to it, but nothing too terrible. And of course I can't exactly tell how well it's working because my hair is up, but I think it did absorb a little bit of that oil. Ooh, I just really like how that smells. So this I'm definitely excited about. This is probably one of my favorite products so far. And then last but not least, we have what I believe is an entirely full-size product in here. This is from Nivea. This is a foaming silk mousse body wash. Oh, at first I definitely thought this was a shave cream, but it's actually a body wash. That is pretty cool. I don't think I've ever tried anything like this, and this product itself is apparently new. So I think it's pretty awesome that there is an entirely full-size product in a $7 box. Some other beauty subscriptions, Sephora Play, might want to take note. Alrighty guys, so that was everything that came in my first Target Play box. No, in my first Target beauty box. And all of it is skincare and hair care, which isn't typically my favorite when it comes to beauty boxes, but you can see what you get before you order it, so you're not gonna be like entirely shocked about what you receive. So I knew, like quickly glancing through the products on the website, that I wasn't gonna be receiving makeup products this month in this box, and that was okay, but I was very pleasantly surprised with how large these samples are. And I had no idea we were getting a full-size product either. So I say for this first one here, I'm pretty happy. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and move on into box number 2 and see what's inside of it. It also feels pretty hefty, so I'm hoping there's some good size products in here as well. Oh, okay, so this one we have a little bit of a different card on top of. It says, "Hello, Summer Beauty." It also has all the little things listed on the back and a $3 off coupon. Alrighty, so just glancing into the little box here, I'm seeing some good size items. I don't know if any of these are full size just yet, but I'm also thinking this is a little bit more hair care oriented. Alright, so the very first thing up here is elastics. We have 4 little hair ties. This is supposed to be no damage for thick hair. And oh boy, that is something I definitely do not have. These are incredibly thick little bands here. I mean, honestly, all my hair in a ponytail probably looks about this thick anyway, so I don't really know if these will work out for me specifically, but I could always pass these along to somebody else with thicker hair than I have. Okie dokie, next up in here we have something from Secret, and this is a clinical strength soft solid light and fresh deodorant. And it's just a cute little guy here. Definitely not thinking this is full size. Okay, so this is a soft solid deodorant, so it kind of like mushes out the top there, which I've never actually had a deodorant like this before, so that's different. Okay, so this I'm actually very excited about. It's in a little foil packet, but that's okay. It seems to be a good size and very full. So this is a Don't Shrink Flaxseed Curling Gel. And as you guys know, like at least in a few videos ago, I was really trying to wear my hair like curly. I do have a lot of natural curl in my hair. As soon as I step outside when it's humid, it just like all of a sudden I magically look like Bozo the Clown, at least in this area of my hair. So I'm actually pretty excited to try this out, see if it helps like boost my curls, make them stay in better and longer. And this is what the front of the packaging looks like. It is from Aunt Jackie's, and I'm pretty interested in giving this a try. I'm gonna bring back the curly hair whenever I have time. The reason I haven't been wearing my hair curly as much is because I feel like my filming schedule has been kind of weird, so I'll like wash my hair and I don't want to film with my hair wet because like I said, I look like Gollum. So I just like quickly blow dry it and then start filming. Okay guys, we still have 4 products left in here and they all look very hair care oriented. So next up here we have something from Cantu. This is a shea butter. It's a leave-in conditioning repair cream. This is a 2-ounce product here, so I don't know if it is full size or not, but it's still a pretty good size to get in this box. Ooh, Ooh, it smells real nice. I shoved it practically up my nose. So it does look to be a very, very thick cream. I'll see how this works out for my hair type since I do have such thin hair. This might be a little bit too strong for it, but I'm wondering if I could use it as more of like a treatment instead of just a leave-in conditioner. Alrighty guys, next up here we have something from Shea Moisture, which was a brand in the last box we just did. This is a 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration leave-in treatment. It is supposed to detangle, protect, and control frizz in all hair types. So this I'm actually really excited in trying. It looks like real thick milk or maybe like watered down glue, but this I'm very, very interested in trying. It also has all of those no's that we said earlier, no sulfates, no parabens, all that good stuff, or I guess bad stuff. That's why it's not in there. Next up here we have a little set of things. So this is from Palmer's. This is a coconut oil formula, coconut oil conditioning shampoo, and then repairing conditioner. So this is for dry, damaged, or color treated hair, and guess what? I got all of those, so this hopefully will be very, very nice. So this is a shampoo and conditioner. At least it didn't come in like a tiny little foil packet. This is also made with fair trade ingredients, which is really cool. It has no sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oils, gluten, or dyes. So I'm liking kind of the more natural stuff in this box here. It was very, very, very hair care oriented. Maybe that's a thing. Maybe I didn't realize that the two different boxes were like one was for skin and one was for hair care. Is that a thing? I really need to read stuff more carefully before I purchase it. But anyway, so those were my two boxes, and I'm actually pretty happy with both of them. I think $7 for these boxes is a very good price point. I think I'm a little bit more excited about box number 1, but I am also like really interested in trying out some of the stuff for my hair to see if any of it makes it better. But I would love to know all of your all's thoughts and opinions down below. Which box did you like better, box number 1 or box number 2? Let me know if you guys get this box or you're interested in getting the box. All of your thoughts and opinions are welcome down below in the comments. I do love to read all of your all's comments. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Don't forget that we do have that giveaway going on right now. I'll link it down below for you guys. And I just hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!